Welcome to a journey towards a more fulfilling life. In a world that glorifies the hustle, we often find ourselves caught up in the relentless pace of the rat race. But what if there's another way? A way that's unhurried, intentional, and focused on what truly matters. Today, we explore the art of slow living, a conscious choice to step off the treadmill of business and embrace a life of contentment. If you've ever felt the weight of hustle culture, you're not alone. The slow living movement invites us to pause, reflect, and reevaluate our priorities. It's about cherishing moments, savoring experiences, and finding joy in simplicity. But let's clear up some misconceptions about this movement. It's not about being lazy. It's about being intentional. So if you're ready to step off the fast track and embark on a journey towards a more fulfilling life, join us as we delve deeper into the art of slow living. Subscribe, like this video, and let's embrace a life where quality takes precedence over quantity. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and inspiration on the slow living lifestyle. What exactly is slow living? What does slow living truly mean? At its essence, slow living is about living mindfully and consciously in the present. It's a deliberate choice to savor every experience and every moment, resisting the urge to rush through life on autopilot. Instead of being constantly busy, slow living encourages us to focus on the things that bring genuine meaning and purpose to our lives. This intentional lifestyle invites us to break free from the chaos of constant business and discover the richness of each moment. Slow living is like a pause button for life, allowing us to appreciate the beauty around us and within us. Slow living is closely associated with mindfulness and living with intention. When we embrace this lifestyle, we're not merely going through the motions. Instead, we experience every moment for what it is, a unique and valuable part of our journey. By choosing slow living, we align our actions with our values, cultivating a deeper connection to ourselves and the world around us. It's a conscious decision to prioritize quality over quantity, to find fulfillment in the simplicity of life. How to start slow living? If the idea of slow living resonates with you and you're eager to embark on a journey towards a more intentional and meaningful life, here are some practical steps to help you get started. Number 1. Prioritize the things that mean the most to you. In the pursuit of a more intentional and fulfilling life, it's crucial to prioritize the things that mean the most to you. This requires not only self-awareness, but also the courage to speak up and align your actions with your deepest values. Step into the arena of your own life and have the courage to do what feels right for you. Too often, external expectations and societal pressures can steer us away from our true priorities. Slow living is about bridging the gap between logic and imagination, forging a path that resonates with your authentic self. Remember, slow living invites you to be the architect of your own priorities. Don't allow the outside world to infiltrate your values or dictate the importance of your choices, your life, your priorities. Number 2, spend time in nature to reconnect with the environment. As we continue our exploration of the slow living lifestyle, let's shine a light on the transformative practice of spending time in nature. Reconnecting with the environment around you is a powerful way to cultivate a sense of meaning and purpose in your life. Step into the embrace of nature and choose your favorite spots, both indoors and outdoors, that nurture and refresh your soul. These are the places where you feel most alive, where the world fades away and you can reconnect with yourself and the beauty that surrounds you. Take, for example, a nearby park that holds a special place in your heart. Commit to spending time there every day, even if it's just for a short 15 minutes. In the simplicity of nature, you'll find moments of peace and clarity that infuse your life with a deeper sense of meaning. Number 3, pick up a mindful and fulfilling hobby. As we navigate the landscape of slow living, a key element to enriching your journey is picking up a mindful and fulfilling hobby. It's an invitation to explore the things you always wanted to do, to embrace the joy of the present moment, and let your inner child come out to play. Step into the realm of possibility, and if there's something you've ever wanted to try, now is the time. Whether it's learning a new sport, diving into a creative endeavor, or simply exploring the world of hobbies, the key is to show up and live fully in the moment. Consider exploring hobbies that allow you to express yourself mindfully. Art and writing can be powerful outlets for self-discovery and relaxation. Even if you're not aiming for a masterpiece, the act of painting or writing can be calming and meditative. Benefits of slow living. Now let's talk about the benefits. From reduced stress to increased overall well-being, the advantages of slow living are profound. Imagine a life where you're not just surviving, but thriving. It's possible, and it starts with a shift in perspective. Number 1, reduce your environmental impact. One of the remarkable benefits of embracing the slow living lifestyle is its positive impact on the environment. In a world where our carbon footprints often go unnoticed, choosing to live slowly allows us to make a meaningful difference. How? By consuming less and living with intention, we inherently reduce our environmental impact, creating less waste and treading more lightly on the planet. As slow living encourages a shift towards a more intentional and minimalistic existence, it naturally aligns with eco-conscious values. The mantra is clear: less consumption, less waste. It's a lifestyle that actively contributes to a healthier, more sustainable world. Number 2, build stronger relationships. As we delve deeper into the slow living lifestyle, let's explore another profound benefit: the opportunity to build stronger relationships. In a world that often moves at a frenetic pace, slowing down offers us the precious gift of time. Time to invest more deeply in the relationships that truly matter. Take the time to concentrate on the relationships that truly resonate with you. Engage in heartfelt conversations, share experiences, and build bonds that go beyond the surface. Slow living is an invitation to savor the richness of connection. Number 3, become more connected with your community. As we continue our exploration of the slow living lifestyle, let's uncover another transformative benefit: becoming more connected with your community. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, it's easy to overlook the power of local connections. Slow living, however, invites us to rediscover the sense of belonging that comes from being an active member of our community. When you make meaningful connections within your community, a profound sense of belonging naturally follows. It's about fostering relationships with those who share the same spaces and experiences, creating a network of support and camaraderie. Number 4, find purpose and fulfillment in your life. In the essence of slow living lies the ultimate quest: to find purpose and fulfillment in your life. Slow living is not just a lifestyle. It's a deliberate and meaningful journey that seeks to enrich both the mind and spirit. Slow living invites you to savor the richness of each moment, to prioritize the aspects of life that bring true fulfillment. It's a celebration of the simplicity found in mindful living and a commitment to creating a life that aligns with your authentic self. As you traverse the path of slow living, you'll notice the constant rewards bestowed upon you. The efforts you invest in living with intention become a wellspring of fulfillment, a reminder that every choice, no matter how small, contributes to the grand tapestry of a purposeful existence. As we conclude our journey into the world of slow living, I hope these insights have inspired you to embrace a more intentional and fulfilling way of life. Remember, slow living is not a destination, but a continuous journey, a journey towards meaningful moments, purposeful choices, and a life well lived. If you found value in this exploration, don't forget to subscribe and join our community. See you in the next video.